10:35 a.m. 12 March 2022. Anglong and Meghalaya border. This is Anglong, and this is West Khasi Gentle Hills. It's really quite amazing place. It's a natural beauty. Okay, you're coming from Meghalaya to cross to the Karbi side. That really is quite a nice place. Look at that. This is very amazing place. I'm really happy to tell you. Okay, Karbi Langpi, West Karbi. On the right hand side is West Karbi, and this is West Gentle Hills. In the middle is the boundary between Karbi and West Gentle Hills. It's a very fresh water. Thank you. See you, Karbi.